Right, in this video I want to show you how to place a logo on a bag using Pixellab. The original video was created by wejustclick.com. So this is the Pixellab version. So this is the logo. How do we place it? Right here on this bag. So if you go over to this remove background and you try to remove the white background here, this is what we get. Right, this is what you get. Then you can do this. See that now? You increase the tolerance and work on these edges. Very, very easy. And then you adjust it. Okay. All right. This is perfect. But when you want to place it here now, you copy this. When you are placing it here, you have to use you can reduce it like this. Okay, you can reduce it like that, and then you can come over to perspective and just enable it and do this. Are you seeing that now? Do this. So make sure that it is placed well, properly like this. So I've placed it already. So just adjust it like this. Do this. Alright, so in 2 minutes we have placed this logo on this bag in Pixellab. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to this video for more tutorials like this. My name is Nia Moda, and I will see you in another tutorial.